Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's Java interview question, we will understand what is optional class in Java. Optional is a container class introduced in Java 8 to handle null values safely and avoid null pointer exception. It represents a value that may be present or may be absent instead of returning null. Now the question arises why optional is needed. Because it avoids null pointer exception, it enforces safe access. It makes APIs more readable and helps developers to handle absent values clearly. Here I am creating an optional using optional.off method. This is used when we know the value is definitely not null. Here the value is logic ladder. Next, optional.empty creates an empty optional object representing no value present without using null. Then I am using optional dot of nullable null. This means the optional may contain a value, but here it is null. When I call name dot or else default name, Java checks if the optional has a value. Since it is null, it returns the fallback value, which is default name. This prevents null pointer exception and gives us a safe default value. Optional is a wrapper that may or may not contain a value. Instead of returning null and causing null pointer exception, we return an optional. Using methods like or else, is present, or if present, we handle the value safely. This makes our code cleaner and protects us from null related errors. Here are some key points that should be remembered. It was introduced in Java 8, avoids null pointer exception, optional dot of, which means value must not be null. Optional dot of nullable, which means it accepts null. Or else get is present and if present are also used. So remember, optional helps you write safer null free code by wrapping values that may not exist. And that's it for this question. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.